You've never seen a cube misbehave before, but a Tesseract opening rewrites every expectation instantly.
When this 4D shape unfolds, your 3D brain gets overwhelmed trying to categorize the chaos.
The Tesseract starts quietly, stretching one cube outward like space itself is taking a deep breath.
Edges elongate in directions your eyes weren't programmed to follow, creating immediate existential discomfort. If that slight distortion confused you, stay locked in. The next unfolding step is dramatically stranger. A second cube pulls away, connected by glowing bridges that shouldn't logically fit inside 3 dimensions.
Those bridges flex smoothly, revealing structural pathways normally hidden behind your everyday spatial limitations.
As more cubes emerge, the shape resembles cosmic origami, designed by someone ignoring typical geometric rules.
Each unfolding layer twists gracefully, forming patterns impossible to visualize without your imagination overheating.
If that seems manageable so far, prepare. Sequence.
4 cubes expand outward simultaneously, rotating through an axis your mind insists doesn't exist.
The entire structure stretches open like a dimensional flower, blooming in directions no camera understands. From your viewpoint, pieces overlap and separate strangely, like reality briefly forgets how solidity works. Surfaces pass through each other cleanly, leaving you questioning every claim your high school geometry teacher made.
If you feel reality slipping, breathe. Because the Tesseract is preparing
A central cube rotates inward, folding space around itself while maintaining perfect structural symmetry. This inner movement reveals connections that feel physically impossible, yet mathematically unavoidable in higher dimensions.
8 cubes arrange themselves into a cross-shaped configuration, each face revealing previously hidden geometrical transitions.
The layout looks familiar, yet alien, like someone expanded a cube using cosmic cheat codes.
If curiosity is taking over, keep watching. The most dramatic unfolding moment hasn't even happened yet.
The extended form stretches outward elegantly, showing how 4D surfaces map imperfectly into our world.
Edges shimmer unpredictably, bending around invisible axes your perception cannot stabilize or fully interpret.
From here, the Tesseract resembles an architectural blueprint for a building impossible to construct physically. Then suddenly, everything aligns, revealing the complete 3D shadow of its 4D structure. Your brain recognizes the pattern instantly, yet refuses to believe something that complex unfolded naturally.
If disbelief is kicking in, hold on. The Tesseract still has more mind-bending moves prepared.
Rotation resumes, and unfolded cubes pivot around unseen hinges, linking far corners seamlessly.
These rotations distort perspective dramatically, forcing you to reevaluate what inside and outside mean. Every motion emphasizes how limited our dimensional vocabulary is for describing higher spatial behavior. As the Tesseract rotates fully open, its symmetrical elegance becomes undeniably clear, despite dimensional confusion. The structure begins collapsing inward, tracing pathways no straight-line geometry could possibly accommodate. Edges align through improbable shortcuts, as though the Tesseract is skipping steps our universe requires.
Cubes fold inward smoothly, restoring a compressed form while creating impossible behind and front illusions.
Its boundaries tighten sharply, each adjustment snapping the structure closer to its original compressed identity. It condenses into a luminous core, locking itself into a stable, higher-dimensional resting form. A final pulse escapes the compressed core, hinting the structure still holds deeper complexity. As it stabilizes, faint internal outlines reveal overlapping cubes still partially occupying higher dimensions. Dimensional distortions fade, leaving a compact structure quietly resting after its complex geometric transformation.
From the outside, it looks simple again, masking the elaborate journey it just navigated.
Its final glow invites you to imagine the unseen dimensions still folded quietly inside it.